Whoa! Welcome back. Well, welcome back. Oh, it's Fox Racing 101. Huh. Two-stroke wheel. I don't know something this new. That's right, guys. I got a new bike. My stepdad picked it up last Thursday. It's a 1999 a Honda CR 125. Great condition bike. I picked it up off a Craigslist dealer. Yeah, it's got FMF graphics. A custom end cap hose on it. It got some Wisco piston rings in the motor. Polished frame. It's got Maxxis tires on it, front and back. They didn't come with the bike stand. I had one, so it got a you can't see it. It's got a FMF turbine core too. Yeah, FMF turbine core too. FMF graphic. I don't think it's got the twin air filter in it. And it got a FMF Gold Series Fatty pipe. I don't know about these exhausts. I don't think it's silencer or not. But yeah. I guess custom paint rims. I don't think it's got the FMF suspension. Yeah, great looking bike. The guy, the first owner, picked up over at Richmond Honda. He races over there, and I had a good deal on this thing. So it's a good bike. No problems at all. So yeah, I'll give you a startup the bike. You can tell it's just up by itself because the kill switches doesn't work because of this wire right here. It will shut itself by itself. So yeah. So my GoPro is charging right now. I will post some videos up pretty soon. So yeah. And it's kind of a little bit muddy today. So yeah, a little bit of mud, a little bit of muddy, and a lot of leaves on the ground. So, well, this is my bike. You got any comments at this bike? I will comment you back, text you back or something. It's a good bike, so I like it. That MX100. I know I sold that, and this is difference between the Yamaha and this 125. The MX100 had a little bit power band, a little bit. This one's got a lot of power band in it to it. So a big change. I'm still keeping the 100. I'm not gonna sell it. So if you guys want to comment about that, I'm still keeping the 100. So my little brother can go riding with me. So yep. It's a good looking bike. I got no problems after I filed the spark plug. Last time I came down here riding it. And yeah, I'm gonna get some new tires pretty soon next summer. And a new exhaust. I'm gonna put a FMS Shorty or Pro Circuit Shorty on it. But yeah. I like the bike. It does have a 99 front fender. It's got like a 2000 model front plastic. So yeah. Then we get a new shifter, grips, levers, aftermarket levers. It's got aftermarket handlebars. But it's a good looking bike. I will not tell you about the price and all that stuff. But yeah. It runs pretty good. All gears work. CR100F got the 4 gears on this thing. 4 gears on that. This one's got 5 gears. So it will give you more power to the ground. So this is my second time owning a 2-stroke. I had to get rid of the old Yamaha because it's getting old. I've been losing parts on that stuff, so I sold it for at least $300. So you won't see that bike anymore. You got this beast right here. So it's a good looking bike. And I got no problem with this bike at all after filing the spark plug. So, well, comments, like, and subscribe my channel. I'll post my videos of me riding it. So, if you guys want to what kind of CCs in it, I don't know. I think it's like a 125cc or at least a 120cc motor in it. It's a 124C. I don't know what that means. So yeah, real militia stickers. I didn't know Honda got a plastic cover. So, there's my bike. Thanks.